Okay, let's open a traditional Roth IRA. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Fidelity account. I'm going to click where it says retirement planning. And as you can tell, there's three different kind of IRA. Roth IRA, traditional IRA, and rollover IRA. Okay, let's explore and click on traditional IRA before we open one. Okay, so here we go. Tax saving. If your income qualifies, you may be able to deduct all or part of your contribution from your federal taxes for the year. Access to your money. Withdraw penalty-free for certain expenses such as first home purchase, birth, or college expenses, which is good. And numerous ways to invest. Whether you invest on your own or have us to do it, you can choose from stocks to ETFs to crypto and more. Great. Let's click and open a traditional IRA. So right here it says open a traditional IRA. I like to choose and manage my investment. No, I want to do my own investing. So I'm going to click open a traditional IRA. Okay, so I already have my account with Fidelity. So if you're new to Fidelity, you have to click here and create an account. And you have to fill all these forms, including your social security, of course. And also you had to tell them about your employer. And also you had to enter your bank account. Okay, so I'm going to log in as a customer. Click here. I'm going to do the usual login. Text me the code. And okay, so once we're in here, you have to check your personal information, make sure it's properly right, your employment information, and there's also three different agreements: your agreement, SSA authorization, and fund prospectus that you can check it out. And at the end, you can just click open account. Okay, so I already checked in private my personal information and also my employer information, and all I did was click open an account. All right, so your account is now open, so let's add some money. On this page, click where it says common funding options, and then what I normally do is I link my bank account, or you can do a direct deposit. However, you can also do other funding options, where you can move an account to Fidelity for another firm, transfer between Fidelity accounts, deposit a check, or bank wire. So in my case, I'm just going to go back to common funding options and select link a bank account, and then click next. And in here, it tells you how do you want to transfer money: electronic funds transfer, EFT, or bank wire. I'm just going to select electronic funds transfer. Who owns this account? Myself. Is this bank business account? If you say yes, click continue, and it's going to take you to a different page, and where you have to download a form. You have to fill it up and send it by mail to Fidelity, so that way they can approve it. This is the form where you have to fill it out and send it over by mail. You can either send the regular mail or overnight. But in my case, I'm just going to say no on the business account. So I'm going to click where it says enter bank information and click continue. And here, which account would you like to link this bank to? It's going to be to the traditional IRA. And then right here it says select the bank account you like to link. My bank account is already here. Or you can enter a new bank account and then click here, I'm the owner. And then select the type of chip and enter the bank information here. And then just click agree and continue. But in my case, I'm just going to use my bank account is on file, and I'm going to say agree and continue. And then right here it says success, your account is linked for future transactions. So let's click where it says go to transfer. Now we have to transfer money. Which account do you want to move money from? My bank account. And then where will the money be transferred to? My traditional IRA. So I'm just going to do a one-time deposit, and you can also do a recurring deposit. But this time, it's going to do a one-time payment for $500, and then click continue. And all you're going to do is review the transfer before submitting, and then click submit. And congratulations, you have submitted your first deposit to your traditional IRA. Now remember, the funds are going to be available maybe during the next 2 or 3 days, and then it won't reflect right away. If you go to our main account, my main page on the Fidelity account, and then now we have 2 IRAs, the Roth IRA and my traditional IRA. And as you can see, it has zero balance right now because it might take 2 to 3 days for the money to deposit in here. All right, congratulations, you just opened a traditional IRA. And remember, once this is done, you have to invest. You have to buy stocks, you have to buy ETF or mutual funds. All right. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.